Jai Jagannath friends, welcome to Jobs World channel. So today we are going to discuss the current affairs of 24th April 2020. I wish you are all safe at home and keep studying. So let's start. Question number 1. Which organization has announced to provide rupees 50,000 crore support to SIDBI, NHB and NABARD? So this is done by Reserve Bank of India. Some related to Reserve Bank of India. Reserve Bank of India headquarters present in Mumbai. Its governor is Shaktikant Das and it was founded on 1st April 1935. Question number 2. The administration of which district of Kerala has launched a vehicle called Tiranga, that is Total India Remote Analysis Nirogya Abhiyan for rapid screening of COVID-19 symptoms? So this is done at Pathanamthitta district of Kerala. Some GK related to Kerala. Kerala capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Its CM is Pinarayi Vijayan and governor is Arif Muhammad Khan. Question number 3. Which state has given the approval of the third edition of his government's Sujalam Suphalam Jal Sanchay Abhiyan? So this is done by Gujarat government. Some GK to Gujarat. Gujarat capital is Gandhinagar. Its CM is Vijay Rupani and governor is Acharya Devavrat. Question number 4. Who has won William E. Colby Award for his book Midnight in Chernobyl? So this is won by Adam Higginbotham. So he has won for his book Midnight in Chernobyl and he was awarded $5,000 prize. So this award is specially for this William E. Colby Award, especially for given to the outstanding book on military and intelligence story. Question number 5. Which country has recently legalized cannabis farming for medical uses? So this is done by Lebanon. Some GK to Lebanon. Lebanon capital is Beirut. Its currency is Lebanese pound. Question number 6. Which state has launched the Ayu and Sehat Sahi app? So this is launched by Rajasthan government. Some GK to Rajasthan. Rajasthan capital is Jaipur. Ashok Gehlot is its CM. Kalraj Mishra is its governor. And recently Rajasthan became the first state in the country to carry out rapid testing for COVID-19. Question number 7. The municipal corporation of which city has developed the Sayam app to track home quarantine? So this is done by Pune Municipal Corporation. Question number 8. Which of the following ministries has launched COVID India Seva platform? So it is launched by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So who is the minister? His name is Dr. Harshvardhan. So he has launched this platform to provide a real-time solution to the COVID-19 related queries. Question number 9. The Union government approved the promulgation of an ordinance to amend the Epidemic Disease Act 1897, under which in case of attacks on healthcare and workers, the investigation will be completed within how many days? So it is within 30 days. Question number 10. India has handed over 23 tons of essential medicine to which of the following neighboring countries to fight COVID-19? So this is done at Nepal. Some GK related to Nepal. Nepal capital is Kathmandu and its currency is Nepalese rupee. Question number 11. What is the rank of India in the Global Press Freedom Index? So India's rank is 142. Who topped the list? It is topped by Norway. And this is the fourth time that Norway topped this list. Question number 12. Which among the following organization has released the global report on food crisis? So this is done by World Food Program. World Food Program was formed on 19 December 1961. Its headquarters present in Rome, Italy, and David Wesley is its head. Question number 13. Who has been unveiled as one of the ambassador for Badminton World Federation as I Am Badminton Awareness Campaign in April 2020? So it is PV Sindhu. Some GK related to Badminton World Federation. Its headquarters present in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It was formed on 1934 and P. Larsen is its president. Question number 14. Who has launched national program Vidyadan 2.0 for inviting e-learning content contribution in New Delhi in 2020 April? So this is launched by Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, who is our HRD minister. Question number 15. Which of the following state or UTs has launched a helpline under Serve the Senior initiative? So this is done by Jammu and Kashmir. So who is the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir? His name is R.C. Murmu. Question number 16. Which of the following will launch Israel's first fully digital bank? So it will be launched by TCS, Tata Consultancy Services. It was formed on 1968. Mumbai is its headquarters and N. Chandrasekhan is chairman. Question number 17. When is the English Language Day observed each year by UN? So it is observed on 23rd April. And recently, as you know, China Language Day is observed on 20 April. Question number 18. Who has been appointed as the President of International Motorcycle Manufacturers Association in April 2020? So it is Rakesh Sharma. So who is Rakesh Sharma? He is the Executive Director of Bajaj Auto. Question number 19. Who among the following has developed 10 varieties of Anthurium, a flower with high market value by cross pollination? So this is done by Vandana Shiva. Question number 20. An investment firm backed by a member of Abu Dhabi's royal family agreed to buy a stake worth just $1 million in which of the following? It is by Lulu Group International. So Lulu Group International was formed on 2000. Yusuf Ali MA is its founder and its headquarters present in Abu Dhabi, UAE. Last question of the day. Which of the following has been recognized as a great place to work second year in a row by Great Place to Work Institute? So it is won by Barco, India. So this is the current affairs of 24 April 2020. I will attach this PDF on the description box. You can go and download it from there. So thanks for your time. Be stay at home and be happy. And don't forget to subscribe the channel.